What's up guys, RETROCENGO here back with another episode. This is episode 7 of I Bought 10 Retro PCs. This monstrosity of a MIDI tower case looks absolutely amazing. The details, the 3D details here and here at this extra bracket, power LED, hard disk LED, floppy drive, a empty bay for another floppy drive, 2 optical drives, and you can put your own sticker up here. Looks nice. It's pretty heavy. It looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Just look at this, guys. It's called Zytec computer. An address here in Denmark. Type Zytec Celeron 433 megahertz, and here it says Windows 98. We have a gold PSU, looks nice. We have got a PS2 mouse keyboard. We have USB COM ports, parallel ports, audio volume thing, I don't know what it is. VGA. We have got an audio sound card and this side also. I mean, just look at this. This is 20 years old. Just look at the beauty. Wow, absolutely wow. First thing we're going to take is the audio card. That's a must. I love. Yeah. This video is sponsored by PCBWay, my favorite PCB manufacturer. PCBWay offers high quality PCB services and much more. Get your PCB prototype, CNC manufacturing, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, and so on. The possibilities are limitless. Send in your product for manufacturing or just pick some of the projects that are ready to pick from. One of the things I love about PCBWay is searching their website for retro computing parts. Retro PC parts, Commodore 64, Amiga, and so on. Go in and check it out. Oh, there we go. All right, let's check out the side of this. I know this board. Don't tell me it's the A7V. This is not Celeron. This motherboard, when I was a computer seller, the Asus A7V was amazing. It's a maximum size board, and all the components, it was not enough, so they had an extra board here that you can't see on the camera, but this one had the usual IDE ports up here. IDE 1 and 2, and down here it had ATA100 IDE ports, an extra BIOS, so the BIOS could load the ATA100 drivers, and you could have really fast hard disk transfer speeds. The hard disks are missing, as you can see, guys, but this motherboard with VIA chipset, it was amazing. It ran with the AMD processor. What was they called? Thunderbird or something like that. I don't remember, guys. It's 20 years ago. If it works, it's cool. Look at this cooler master. Oh, okay. These cables go into that adjustment knob at the back side. This looks like a jet plane inside. Wow, I'm gonna enjoy this. Let's plug it in and see what's gonna happen, guys, because it's absolutely wow. Oh, that's cool. Bam. Let's give it the keyboard. Oh man, this motherboard, it was mind-blowing back then. Everybody was just wow. Oh wait, before we do anything, the power was off. Before we do anything, let's check out the audio because it's too new to be a ISA card. But let's see if this one. Oh, it's a neat little one, and the chip is ALS 4000. This is later revision, but I think at Vogons they have some MS-DOS drivers for this one. I've read about that. The ALS 4000. Let's check out the graphic card here. It's an AGB card and it's Matrox G100. Oh, it's a sweet little chip. The G100. Actually, this is not the best for 3D gaming, I know, but for 2D, it has got an amazing picture quality. Really amazing picture quality. Also for MS-DOS games, the Matrox G series, I mean, they were, wow, absolutely perfect picture quality, man. So yeah, 3 RAM blocks, I don't know how many megabytes, but if we have 512, it will be beautiful for a Windows XP build. Absolutely. Windows 98, I think this is maybe a bit too fast. I think this is maybe about 1500 megahertz CPU or something like that. But man, I remember this one. I played Command & Conquer Generals. I jumped from my from my AMD K6 550 megahertz. I jumped over to this one with I think it was 1200 megahertz or something like that. And you know, Command & Conquer Generals, it ran amazing with this, man. Oh man, it was golden days. You guys are asking me what model keyboard are you using. It's called AQ6, model number R71014. And I love this one. It's a PS2 keyboard and it's a clicky one. I love it. It's a beautiful keyboard. Oldie but goodie. It clicks fine. Alright, let's power down. I don't know if it works. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. It works! Delete. BIOS is from 2000 and it's a 130. Didn't I press delete? Wait. Delete. Asus A7V. Oh, this motherboard. It's amazing. 1.2 gigabyte. Can you get that over there? Yes, you can. 1.23 gigabyte RAM. It's so much RAM for Windows 98. The hard disks are not installed. Floppy drive is installed. We're running at 133 megahertz RAM. Beautiful stuff. Hardware monitor. Let's check that one out. CPU temperature at 34 degrees. Motherboard at 20 degrees. CPU fan speed 2300 RPM. I'm just gonna test something here. Where was that? Not over here. Oh, noise! Can you hear the noise? This is a jet plane, man. Oh, 3600 RPM now. Nice. Woohoo! I can feel all the air over here. Oh, this. Oh, damn. This is like a jet plane. So it sucks in cold air and it pushes it out on this. Oh, on the side of the. Oh, it's effective, man. Wow. This is the lowest. Really low noise. And CPU fan, and not available. It's so, but it's still effective. Nice. All right. I would say like this. Yeah, I think it's okay. 2300 RPM. Let's give it a bit more. There we go. So 37 degrees, it's nothing on an AMD system, man. Oh, I love this. It sounds so cool. Oh, great stuff. 2500 RPM. And we're gonna boot from, MS-DOS from Phil's computer lab. Love your videos, Phil. Alright, I'm gonna press on pause, break. There, pause. Okay, AMD Athlon. This is not a Duron or something, Celeron cheap ass. This is the Athlon. It was real nice. 1.2 gigahertz and 1.3 gigabytes of RAM. So for Windows XP, this motherboard is a dream board, and it supports ATA 100. So it's really, really nice. There we go. Here you can see. Load onboard ATA BIOS. If I put this on auto, it will load that. Then I have to use the two ID sockets at the bottom, and then we will have high-speed data transfer. Back then, 20 years ago, it was crazy when this one came out, man. Wow, it's an amazing board. Yeah. Okay. Via KT133 chipset, where the RAM speed is at 133. And as you can see, 3 SD RAM at PC 133, Athlon processor, 1200 megahertz, 1280 megabytes of RAM. Oh my sweet mother of candy flush! This is some beautiful stuff. This is banana. Yeah, and the floppy drive works. That's nice. Oh, we have a CD-ROM drive here, and a what's that? That's Sony CD burner 40 speed. That's nice. We're stuck at banana. Why? No, we're not. It's just loaded. Let it load. Nice. So CD-ROM drive is R and S. If I put in a CD, then I can read something. That's nice. Beautiful stuff. And that cooler is just amazing. Loading, loading. Come on. Does it work? It works! Nice! Oh man, just look at this PC tower. Woo, it's nice. Oh, and this big cooler. I love it. Oh, wait. You can see it. You have to see this. You have to see this. You have to see this. It's gold PSU. Can you see it? Guys, it's gold. Just look at this. It's gold. It's called Power Pentium 4 PFC model blah blah blah, 420 watts. Nice PSU. Oh man, what a beauty. And this one is, it's blasting cold air. Let's see here. Full power. Don't put your fingers in here. Oh, I can feel it out here, how powerful this cooler is. Oh. Is this one even running? Yes, it is, but now this is so cool if you want to overclock these AMD chips. Oh, what a cool cooler, man. Yeah, guys, a super nice computer again. This is episode 7. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope that I will see you on episode 8. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Be a member of the YouTube team. That could be cool, guys. Have a great day out there. Bye.